How's it going, everybody? Carlos Plaza here with carlosplazadrums.com. Let's talk about the six-stroke roll. Okay, so six-stroke roll is a very cool rudiment. I actually had it wrong for a while. The way I won't go into too much detail about it. I will link to another video where I talked about it, but basically I had it wrong because there's a little 6 above it. I thought that meant 6 tuplets, and really it's just explaining that it's a pattern that uses 6 notes. The reason, as you can see right now, it is a slightly more complicated way of explaining this rudiment. I'm not going to be using the way that it's written here to explain it to you. You'll see the double strokes, the 30-second notes. You might be one of my students who hasn't gotten into 30-second notes yet. Maybe we haven't even talked about the lines representing double strokes. I'm not going to get into any of that. I'm going to simplify it for everybody. Even if you're pretty good at drums at this point and you just happened upon this video and you want to learn a new rudiment, I'm going to explain it to you the simple way. So I'm going to switch it now. Bam. This is how I am going to represent this pattern. And it's 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and. Okay, I'm using 8th notes, 16th notes to represent how this is played. So check this out. So it's left, right, right, left, left, right. 1 and a 2 E and 3 and a 4 E and right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, right, left. Another way to think about it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it's 6 notes. It's a 6-stroke roll, singles and doubles. Right, left, left, right, right, left. Those of you who don't know and haven't noticed yet, I'm a lefty, so I'm hitting with my left when I say right. You're a righty probably. You can just use right. Last thing I'm going to mention, don't forget the accents. Accent at the beginning, accent at the end, okay? It's accent, 2, 3, 4, 5, accent. I really want to hear those accents. You're going to treat the other notes like ghost notes. You're going to play them quiet. You're going to play them low. Look how low my sticks are. They're all the way down here, okay? When I'm hitting these non-accented notes, I'm playing them all the way down here, and I'm playing tight. Look how closed my grip is. Okay, my grip is going to be super closed. My fulcrum's tight. Oh, focus. My fulcrum's super tight, the rest of the fingers are on there, and I'm really closing it with the pinky. I want tight, closed little notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Big, small, 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 big. So that's pretty much it. I know it's pretty simple. I do want you to work on this pattern if you're one of my students, and I've given it to you as homework. Focus on how slow you're playing it at first. Focus on loud accents, small ghosted notes. As it's written here, I have them written as ghosted notes, but as it's written here, which is the original way, if you go to Percussion Arts Society website, I believe it's pas.org, you'll see it's written this way. This is the way the rudiment is represented. The way that I'm showing to you here, I think makes a little bit more sense to explain. Even to advanced students, you're just going to know what to do right away. Any questions, of course, you can send me an email, carlosplazadrums. Did I say my own name wrong? carlosplazadrums@gmail.com. You can go to the website, carlosplazadrums.com, Instagram @carlosplazadrums. Again, any questions, let me know, guys. Thank you.